But there's an important person who was part of the Filipino forces in Lipa, and this was General Pasiano Rizal,
Mm.
who was the kuya of Jose Rizal, who was dead by this time. Of course, si Jose Rizal was executed December 1896. This is June
Opo.
1898.
Mhm.
Pero medyo sariwa pa yung pagkamatay ni Jose Rizal dito. And alam ko, he was an inspiration for many of the revolutionaries. And of course, his kuya, General Pasiano Rizal. No? Si Pasiano Rizal was not a native of Lipa. No? So paano siya napasama dito sa Siege of Lipa?
Siya po kasi yung nag-initiate nung atake sa mga Espanyol on June 7 po.
He initiated. So yung
Opo.
atake, it happened in the streets, right? So in other words,
Yes.
nakapwesto na si Pasiano Rizal sa
Yep.
Lipa.
Yeah. Opo. Sila yung nag-impede sa mga Spanish forces marching their way to Batangas. So,
And ano naman yung papel ni General Pasiano at this time? He was a general in the Philippine Army. Hindi na to katipunan, right? Just to clarify
opo.
na natapos na yung katipunan nung 1897 dahil nga nagkaroon ng ceasefire, etc. And dapat nga may disarmament pa, di ba? And then nung bumalik, ano na to? Philippine Army na. Kasi
Opo.
nagdeklara na ng independence, no? Si Aguinaldo. So this is the Philippine Army.
O to be exact, ang tawag po sa kanila is Filipino Liberating Army na po ito. Hindi nga revolutionary. Doon sa mga nakita kong documents po, yung sa archival documents, ang nakalagay po sa stated as Filipino Liberating Army. Ejercito Libertador. Yun na po yung nakalagay sa ano nila, sa mga um, yung mga stamps, sa mga documents, sa mga seals. Hindi revolusyonaryo eh.
Yes. Okay. So si General Pasiano Rizal, the Rizals were originally from Calamba. Alam ko
Mhm.
na evict sila doon, ano, nung early 1890s. Or maybe even earlier, no. But he became a general in the Katipunan, no.
Mhm.
And then pero hindi siya sumama kay Emilio Aguinaldo sa Hong Kong in exile. He stayed. He was in charge of a battalion. Ano bang papel niya noon?
So general po, so that means siya po yung commander-in-chief ng mga puwersa ng yung ano, yung liberating army na yun. Within in that region.